guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a cooking video for you guys. A lot of you guys are asking me to do another cooking video, so I figured why not. So today we are cooking an Italian meal. Dad, is this your grandmother's recipe?
Yeah.
So this recipe is from generations, right, of Italian family. So this is what you want to cook if your boyfriend or your girlfriend likes Italian food, because it's authentic and it's delicious. So I have everything out right here that you're gonna need. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do it step by step for you guys, and then you guys can see how to do it. So to start off, you're gonna need chicken. You're gonna cut it very thin and season it with black pepper and salt, which I already did. So you're gonna need that. Let me move this. Then you're gonna get a plate and put flour on it. And then you're gonna put a little bit of salt. You're gonna take black pepper and put some of black pepper in the flour and just mix it around. Put a little bit more. Then you're gonna crack 2 eggs and put it in a little bowl. And then you're also gonna season that with salt. Now we're gonna put black pepper in the eggs as well. Then you're gonna just whisk the eggs together so it's like this. Now you're gonna take a piece of chicken, put it in the flour. Should I have it flattened? Yeah, I said to make sure it's thin. Thin pieces of chicken. Make sure every part of the chicken has flour on it. And then you're gonna put it in the egg. Kind of like making like chicken cutlets, right? Mm-hmm. Then you're just literally gonna do that for every single piece of chicken. So I'll speed through this part so you guys get the gist of it. I'm gonna put 2 more eggs, so in total you're gonna need 4.
Depends on the amount of chicken you're using.
Yeah, if you're gonna use less, if you're gonna do less chicken, then obviously you don't need to use that much, but alright guys, so we finished putting the, flour and eggs all over the chicken. We got a lot of chicken, so now we're gonna fry it. So you have to get a pan and put some oil in it. Obviously, it's how you fry chicken. And then you're just gonna place every single piece of chicken in the oil, and then you're gonna fry it. Get a wooden spoon and go like this. And then if it bubbles at the bottom, it's hot. Put it on medium heat, and then you're gonna take garlic. We're gonna put all 3 in, just place them like chunks like this. So we're cooking that, and then we're gonna do all of the chicken, and then I'll show you guys what you do next. Yeah! Chef TIANA! So now is the next step of what we have to do. So you're gonna need butter. You're gonna need flour. And that's it. And then you're gonna put it in this pan. So you're gonna lower the heat pretty much almost all the way. And there's still a little bit of oil in there. So I'm gonna take butter. Can you bring the camera over so they can see what we're doing? Oh. You can just get this, not me.
Put a little bit more. Yeah, put a little more, because we have a lot.
Ooh. Then you're gonna take a tablespoon of flour. Mix it around.
That's the sauce for the chicken.
Yes. Mix it up. So now we're gonna put white wine here. Half a cup.
Just depends how much chicken you're making.
Yeah. Just put this in here. So good. I love white wine, like in food.
Yeah.
Do you like to drink white wine or red?
Depends what I'm eating.
I like to drink red. Lemon. Lemon juice.
Don't forget the chicken broth.
Half a cup. Alright, we're putting a little bit more lemon because we have a lot of chicken. And then this is chicken broth, so you get this one from
Anyone.
it doesn't matter. And then I'm just pouring the rest of whatever is in here. I think we need more lemon. Alright, so now that we made like the little sauce, I guess you could say, for the chicken, you're gonna throw the chicken back in that after it starts boiling. So it's gonna start to boil and then you're gonna throw the chicken inside. So you just needed for that lemon, chicken broth, and white wine. You're gonna do half a cup of white wine. Go by eye with the lemon and then like half of the chicken broth and then also flour. So yeah, that's what you're doing. Gonna wait for that to boil and then we're gonna throw all the chicken in. So I will see you guys after. All right, so now we're gonna put the chicken because it's already boiling.
Want or no?
No, thank you.
Okay, what about this?
Leave it, I'll use it.
What about this?
No, Antonio, we do not need a flu.
This is what he's asking me if I want. Recorder. That's not a flute.
Are you playing jingle bells?
Oh my god, wait, remember in elementary school the ribbons? I had hella bells
you
too.
didn't.
Yes,
You
I
had
did. I had ribbons.
What are hella bells?
No, not hella bells. Bells.
I should add hella bell. You have your phone? Play Save That by Where's the Kid?
I have my phone, it's over there.
Hey Siri!
No, I don't have Siri on. I don't have that either.
Jesus.
Is there anything you have?
He has a big head.
Just joking.
Uh-huh.
She's not joking.
You know what I said?
Have you?
No, I love you.
Aww. Señorita, termina.
Here you go. I cap and put 50 on the dash. And I ain't worried about these bitches want them bad.
Alright, so this is what it looks like after we put the parsley. So we're just gonna let that cook. All the juices are gonna go all over the chicken and it's gonna be good. So just wait and see.
Didn't do it for you. You had to keep score.
Remember Joe Pesci with those pancakes? Yeah, that fucking long out. They were automatic. When we used to play as kids, you used to have to write your own score. So then you couldn't keep track.
Oh yeah. That's good. So good. I didn't taste it either.
Trying to land a husband not to cook.
She's complete.
Butter.
When you boil the water, Kelly did a great job, baby. Thanks. You'll be a good housewife one day.
I will be, huh?
You know how to cook Italian, you know how to cook Spanish.
And then you got yourself a meal. So, there you go, guys.
Nice glass of wine.
Nice glass of wine, you and your boo, home cooked meal, maybe a nice little flower. And then, you know, you got yourself a good little time. So, that's it. I'll try to get some photos, or not photos, I'll try to get how it looks at the end with everything, and I'll throw that in at the end of this video. So Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you,
Tiana.
yep, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on those notifications. Let me know what else you guys want to see me make. This recipe is from generations and generations. My father is Italian, so it's all authentic Italian. We make all our own sauces, everything. So it's pretty simple. And yeah, so hopefully you guys enjoy. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. Turn on those notifications. Have a great day and a blessed rest of your day, guys.